Dear learners, today we are going to see about statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is generally used to mean the quantitative aspects of data management. But as a subject, the study it refers to body of principles and procedures developed for collection, classification, summarization and meaningful interpretation and for the use of such data. The discipline is useful in converting random data to understand the information and helps in strategic business decision making. Statistics has its origin in Latin word status, Italian word statista and German term statistics, all of which mean political state. In ancient times, the beginning of statistics was made to meet the requirements of state primarily, and hence the name called given statistics. There are two ways we can define the statistics. One is plural sense, another one is singular sense. In plural sense, the statistics gives the meaning as it refers to the numerical statements of facts related to any field of inquiry, such as data related to income, expenditure, population, etc. In general, we can define it is the numerical data or statistical data in terms of the plural sense. In plural sense, the statistics is defined as it is the numerical statements of facts in any department of our inquiry placed in relation to each other. And there are features in plural sense of defining statistics. It includes the aggregation of facts numerically expressed, affected with multiple causes, reasonable accuracy, placed in relation to others, predetermined purposes, enumerated or estimated, and collected in systematic manner. And the meaning of statistics in singular sense, that means that it is the statistical methods, that how the statistics will be collected in terms of science in which we deal with techniques and methods for collecting, classifying, presenting, analyzing and interpreting the data. So in singular sense, the statistics is defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. It is given by Croxton and Cowden. There are various features included in the singular sense. The first one, collection of data, second one, organization of data, third one, presentation of data, and fourth one, analysis of data, and fifth one, interpretation of data. Now we are going to discuss about the nature of statistics. Statistics has the two different natures. One is we can call it as statistics as a science, and another one is statistics as a art. Statistics as a science, the reason it studies the statistical data and we use the various formulas and the scientific relationships we are using, that is the reason. It is an art because we can find out with the help of the data we can solve the real life problems also. And as a subject matter, we can have the two different characteristics of statistics. One is descriptive statistics, another one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics, it describes the data and consists of methods and techniques to explain the characteristics of the data, and the methods can be either graphical or computational. In the case of inferential statistics, it deals with methods which describe the characteristics of population or making decisions concerning population on the basis of sample results. The various limitations of statistics, it includes it study only numerical facts, it study aggregates, and it is not the only method to calculate, and it deals with only homogeneity of data. And the results are true only on an average, and without reference the results may prove wrong and can be used by experts, and misuse of statistics is possible. There are various scope of statistics. It includes statistics and it will be helping in planning, and it includes in economics, it includes in business, it includes in industry. So like that, various ways the statistics also will be helping. And now we are going to see about the functions of statistics. That means it helps in expressing the facts in the numerical terms, and it will represent the data in the simpler presentation, and it enlarges individual knowledge and experiences. It compares the facts, facilitates policy formulation, it helps other science in testing their laws, and it helps in forecasting also. What are the various uses and importance of statistics? Actually, the statistics will be helping for administrators, for business and industry and agriculture people, and in economics, and even the politicians also. And for banking and insurance industry also will be using this statistical data.